Welcome to Homework Lib.
I'm going to write a degree 4 polynomial with zeros of -4, 1/3, and 2 plus 3i, which means 2 minus 3i is conjugate is also a 0, so we can get our degree 4s this way. Let's put it in factored form. X plus 4 times x minus a third times x minus 2 plus 3i times x minus 2 minus 3i. We can begin by, again, multiplying the first two. So distribute the x, you'll get x squared minus 1/3 x plus 4x minus 4/3. Or x squared, you can think of 4 as 12/3 x, so that would be plus 11/3 x minus 4/3. Okay, and now let's work on multiplying the other two. This is the same thing as x minus 2 minus 3i and x minus 2 plus 3i. Distribute the x and you get x squared minus 2x plus 3xi. And then distribute the -2 and you'll get -2x plus 4 minus 6i. And then distribute, I'm going to write below it here, the -3i, you get -3xi plus 6i minus 9i squared, which is x squared minus 4x. The 3xi's cancel, the 6i's cancel, minus 9i squared. I squared is -1, so that becomes a plus 9, with the 4 is plus 13. And now we multiply these together. Distribute the x squared, you get x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 13x squared. Distribute the 11/3 x, you get plus 11/3 x cubed minus 44/3 x squared plus 11 times 13 is 143/3 x. And then distribute the -4/3, we get minus 4/3 x squared plus 16/3 x minus 13 times 4 is minus 52/3. Okay, combine like terms here. We've got x to the 4th. We want to combine -4 and 11/3. In thirds, that's -12/3 plus 11/3 would be minus 1/3 x cubed. For the squareds, let's get a common denominator of thirds. So think of the 13 as 39/3. Then we have 39 minus 44 minus 4 is -9/3, or minus 3x squared. And now we have our x's. 143 plus 16 is 159. Divided by 3 is 53x. And then minus 52/3. Okay, so that's a potential solution, but we also know the fact that f of 1 is equal to 100. So we have to check, what do we get with 100 here? We have 100 to the 4th minus 1/3 times 100 to the 3rd minus 3 times 100 squared plus 53 times 1. Oh, what? I don't know why I'm doing 100. It should be 1. Excuse me. So minus 3 times 1 squared plus 53 times 1 minus 52 thirds. Okay, so we get 33 and a third. So what do we want to multiply this by to get to 103? If we scale this whole thing by 3, we'll get 100 when putting 1 into the function. So multiply the whole thing by 3 and you've got your function. 3x to the 4th minus x cubed minus 9x squared plus 53 times 3 is 159. X minus 52. We can verify this with the graphing calculator. 3x to the 4th minus x cubed minus 9x squared plus 159x minus 52. We have zeros of -4, positive 1/3, and then the other two are imaginary. This checks out.